The evolution and improvement of sensors and processing combined with the advanced vision of a computer, graphics powers, visualization technology, and input systems allows us to discover and feel situations and environments that we never thought could happen. Mixed reality breaks the boundaries of the physical world with the digital world. It is an evolution in human, computational, and environmental interaction. Our reality is the conventional, what you see with your eyes and the position that people have in the world. The surface, the light, the sound, the reconnection of objects. The relationship with human and computer has been studied over several decades. This discipline is known as human-computer interactions. The interaction between computers and environments is effectively an environmental understanding or perception. His idea is to generate a 3D model of reality and on it, to overlay virtual information. This allows you to combine both realities to add additional content to the user. Achieving this real-world translation to a virtual 3D model is one of the main challenges of this technology. One of the methods to achieve the function of the two worlds and form a common space is the one used in Google's Project Tango. This method consists of scanning the space in real time to be able to get the mix of the real 3D model with the virtual one. The variety of applications and industries in which mixed reality can be used is very diverse and promising. Some of the examples that the main developers of this technology are showing are the disappearance of fixed screens or restricted to a size to consume content.